The suspense, it's killing me! Hi, I'm Camilla.
And I'm Kang, and we are the
5
5 Resellers.
Today we are doing an unboxing of a designer damaged box from Ducho Thrift, aka Denali. So we got this a little while ago, but we haven't opened it because we wanted to film our reaction to it. So she had posted these on Poshmark for just $3, which plus shipping, we paid a total of $11.31 for this large mailing box. And what Denali said is basically that these are good items, but they are all in some way, shape, or form damaged or flawed. So we bought this mostly trying to improve our, how can we repair damaged items, because we find them often. And often we don't know how to repair them. So we're hoping to kind of hone some skills.
Yeah, and it's a great experiment because it would be worth the effort if these are really good items to repair them and hopefully make a good buck out of them.
Yeah, and so what we're hoping to help you decide is if you think that, getting a box like this from Ducho Thrift would be worth it. Now I think that she has them on for $15, which is still a pretty good deal depending on what we find inside. So
yeah, so let's go ahead and open it up.
Yeah.
Whoa, it is stuffed.
Yeah,
Jeez.
packed to the gills. Wow. Okay. So let's see.
Whoa, let's check it.
Oh, what's that?
It says Sanctuary, designed in Los Angeles.
Huh. Cool.
Oh,
I don't think I've
it feels
ever
really nice.
found that brand before.
Yeah,
Yeah.
give it a feel. So this is the tag here. Hopefully, see that.
And it's kind of a camo pattern.
Mm-hmm.
So let's see. What's wrong with this?
Yeah, while she searches for that, I'm going to show you the next one. This one is Hunter Bell. It's a white top.
Yeah, I haven't heard of this brand either. I don't know what the comps are like on it.
To be fair, we don't pick up a lot of designer items, so
Yeah.
maybe this is just one of those things where it's just packed full of things we don't know, which is also really nice because that means we get to learn about all these cool designer brands.
Yeah, I don't see anything wrong with this coat, but I don't know. But also I think that is part of our problem is that a lot of times we pick things up and we're like, I don't see anything wrong with it, and then it's like this huge gash or something. It's like,
yeah.
oh, I really was not looking. So I don't know. Maybe there's a hole in one of the pockets.
This one says Isabel something or another.
Probably Isabel Marant. I think that that's a good brand.
Oh, okay. Nice.
I don't know. I hope that's what it is. Cool.
So I'm going to keep showing you the tags while Camilla, I guess, tries to find these flaws.
Yeah, I'm really not seeing
We've
it
got
on this.
Vince.
Okay.
This is one that we know.
Yeah, we
It's a
picked
nice
up
dress.
Vince.
It's a yellowish mustard color. Let's see.
Yeah, it looks like this one has some filling on
Oh,
it.
it's not a dress. It's a jumpsuit.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
Even better. Oh, no, look.
Mm-hmm.
This one has a little, it's like,
Yeah. Let's try this.
it's kind of torn on the seam at the crotch.
Nice.
So, I don't
Well,
know.
not nice. But this is expected.
Yeah, exactly.
This one is pretty thrashed. So there's that. Wonder if it is repairable.
Probably. I think if you were,
Really good.
yeah, I think I would
We're not
have
quite
to
there.
work on it with
We'll see.
some seamstressing skills.
Yeah. Rebecca Taylor.
Oh, cool. We've never found that brand before either.
Yeah. So this one is immediately apparent. Right there.
Oh, let me see. What is it?
Just right there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, a hole.
Yeah, it's a hole. So this is what the tag looks like. I would imagine, if someone were to try to redo this, you would put a patch or something right there, or
Yeah.
cover it up somehow.
Yeah. And this one has a little hole in the armpit, but I think that we could fix that.
Yeah, so she definitely advertised these as, you know, as flawed. So we know each and every single one of these is going to have
Right.
some sort of flaw. We just got to find it.
Yeah. Okay, so
So I
what's
found this one right here.
Yeah.
Fall there.
Habitual maybe? I think it might be habitual.
Then one last item.
Yeah. If anyone knows how to get these, I think they were like from dry cleaners off of the tags, let us know, because I haven't had very much luck getting those kinds off.
Yeah,
They're a little bit thicker than.
yeah, it's pretty difficult.
Yeah. Yeah, this one has.
This one,
a hole.
how do you pronounce that? Louna, maybe?
Luna?
Or maybe that is cut off. LOUN something or something else.
Wound? I don't know. Either way, it wouldn't.
Either way, let us know in the comments if you know what it is. And
Yeah.
this is.
Oh, this is nice. Let's see. Should play the Jeopardy theme song.
We'll try to find it. Cue it. If we can't find it in like the next 10 seconds, we're just gonna give up. And maybe I'll put an edit in and say where we found
Oh,
it.
it's missing. It's missing buttons.
Oh, okay. Well, there you go. We found it.
There you go.
So this will be a very fun thing. Also, you know, with $12 invested, it's a great learning experience. You can't really
Yeah.
beat that price for learning about something new and seeing if it's worth trying to repair. And also, we're doing it for the YouTube content.
Yeah, $12 for a surprise.
Yeah. So this was a really fun unboxing, I think.
Yeah.
We knew going in that some of these would be, you know, just the way that they are. And
It was a challenge.
And that
It's a good, you know, kind of reseller challenge, because often in reselling you can kind of get into like a habit of, you know, you do this. It's kind of same old, I guess. So you always want to be, you know, developing your skills so that, you know, you can grow your business in, you know, a myriad of different ways, so that you can really be kind of like a jack of all trades, but like a reseller of all trades. So
Camilla's dropping nuggets of wisdom there. So I totally agree. We are hoping to learn a lot from this, but at the same time, this was really fun.
exactly.
So hope you enjoyed this content. We'll be doing more unboxings in the future, I'm sure, of, you know, other mystery boxes of sorts. Maybe we'll get some third up boxes, things like that. So if you enjoy that type of content, as well as our what sold videos and maybe thrifting videos, please join us.
Yeah, exactly. And leave a comment down below of what maybe your favorite item was, or if you have any info on, you know, how to fix these, or, you know, on the brands or anything like that, just let us know.
Yeah. If you have any ideas of, what is it? Upcycling?
Yeah.
If you have any ideas of upcycling, let us know.
Yeah, exactly.
All
So
right.
we'll see you in the next one.
See you later.
Bye.